At this point in the tutorial, our vertical list is built. However, it's still only showing test data. In this video, we'll populate it using our API and display a list of upcoming movies. Open Data Fetcher. I'll paste the URL we'll populate our vertical list with. This URL is identical to our top rated URL, with the only difference being upcoming instead of top rated. We'll have to adjust our build URL function to construct this correctly. Scroll down. Inside the else if statement, type or type double equals upcoming. Replace top rated with backslash parentheses type. This will build the correct URL when top rated or upcoming are passed for the type. To make our code a bit better, delete trending in the first if statement, backslash parentheses type. The less hard-coded strings, the better. Our build URL function can now make the upcoming URL. With this, we can open our view model, make a new line after video ID status, private, parentheses set, var, upcoming status, fetch status equals .not started. We'll use this enum to keep track of the upcoming title's fetch state. A new array is also needed to hold the upcoming movies. This can be placed after top rated TV, var, upcoming movies, colon, bracket title equals empty brackets. By making this array empty, we won't need to unwrap it later. Since this call will not be on the home screen, we can make a new function for it, scroll all the way down, make some space after the get video ID function, func get upcoming movies, parentheses async with braces. Inside the braces, we can set upcoming status equal to .fetching. Then we can make a do catch block. Inside do, upcoming movies equals try await, data fetcher, fetch titles for movie by upcoming. Try is needed because this function can throw errors, and await allows it to run in the background, not blocking the UI. If this call completes, upcoming status equals .success. Now we just need to complete the catch statement. Print error. Upcoming status equals .failed, underlying error, error. We print the error in our console for debugging, and then pass the error in our enum for the UI. Everything is ready to go here. We just need to hook it up to our UI. Open upcoming view.swift. Make a couple of lines after line 10. Let view model equals view model. Delete the preview titles. Replace with view model upcoming movies. Make some space before this line. Switch view model upcoming status. This allows us to define a view for each state. In .not started, we can put empty view. Fetching is progress view. Cut the vertical list view code. Paste it inside .success. Lastly, text, underlying error, .localized description, works great for case.failed. The progress view should be in the center of our view when it loads, before the switch statement. Geometry reader, brace, GeoIn. Delete the closing brace. Put it after the switch closing brace. Add a frame in progress view. Frame, width and height, geo.size.width, geo.size.height. This puts the progress view in the center of the screen. All that's left is to populate the data, find the geometry reader closing brace, enter .task with braces. Inside the braces, awaits view model .get upcoming movies. This populates the upcoming movies array. Before running, please make sure to update your API keys inside API config.json. Hit Command R to run. Our app is up and running. Navigate to upcoming. Nice. The data populates. We can scroll down and everything is in working order. If you're thinking, it's getting easier to set everything up, you'd be right. A lot of the infrastructure was done in section 2, allowing our new features to be added faster. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.